Okay, hello my fellow knot tiers. Today I thought about sharing with you a small trick that I use for what I call a stubborn rope, meaning a rope that doesn't hold its lay when you cut the strands. And it unravels very easily and the strands open up to yards. I'm sure you have all seen this at some point. Now the reasons for that can be many. In this case it's a rope that's made of plied yarns, and so the strands open very easily because of the wrong lay of the yarns. Now the trick that I use is that I cook them in starch, and this works well for natural fiber ropes, and also I've tried it with polyester, works fine with polyester. Nylon I don't know. You have to experiment yourself if you use nylon rope. But this is jute, and this is how I do it. Let's take a look. Now here's the stuff that I use. That's pure corn starch. I think it goes by the name of corn flour in US. But that's pure starch. And I have a couple of liters of water. Well, that's maybe 3 liters. This is no exact science. So I put about that much starch in the water. That's about half a deciliter. And you want to mix this in cold water. Maybe a bit more. This is no exact science, so you don't want to make the solution too thick, because some of the starch will lay on the top of the rope, and I don't like that. So quite thin. Then I just heat up the solution, bring it up to cooking point. Okay, that has been boiling for a couple of minutes now, so it's ready. So the consistency is like a very thin soup, and that's the way I like it, not too thick. Then I just simply toss my ropes in there, and this works best when the solution is hot. So you get the good penetration to the whole of the rope. In you go. I also found a piece of nylon rope. Let's see. And that's the same thing. It unravels very easily. Let's see what happens. And then, after a minute or so, just take my ropes and hang out to dry. Okay, now the ropes have dried, so let's see how it looks like. And so you see the strands keep their lay very nicely. Let's see what happened with the nylon rope. So it looks like it works nicely even with nylon. So that was the trick of the day. Good luck!